and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in today's video I am going to do cool tone, like a cool tone sexy seductress like glitter eyeshadow look. So that's why I started out with brows, because normally with glitters and stuff I like to start out with my brows just in case I have any glitter fallout. Because if I do that, then my concealer is gonna be all glittery and stuff. So I'm gonna show you the whole transformation of this sexy, cool toned look. So without further ado, let's get it cracking. Normally, I never use a cool tone look. I never use cool tones. I always do warm tones because I love a warm look. I feel like though cool tones make me look depressed and sad. That sounds fucked up, but it's true. Like I feel like though it makes me look sad and depressed. So I'm gonna start out with my eyeshadow base, and today I'm gonna use the Alien palette from Jeffree Star because this is the only palette that has a cool tone color. So that has two cool tone colors. I checked all my palettes, and yeah, I really do have this is the only one. So yeah, so you already know the drill. I'm gonna start off with the Urban Decay Primer Potion in the shade Eden to set my lids. Hey guys, sir. Wait! This happens to me every fucking time. I need to put on my tape. This is my secret weapon. I use tape to make that sharp line. Why the fuck do I always forget it? I'll be right back. I'm sorry. Tape's on, and this is a trick I like to do because I like a real crisp line look. So that's what I love to do to make that crisp line effect. I'm not that talented to do it by itself. So anyway, without further ado, I'm sorry about that. That was like my natural reaction of me forgetting my tape. But the first shade I'm gonna do is Ghost OG. I didn't set my primer, and I'm starting to do that because it brings out the more pigment of the shadow. So let's start with that. So to diffuse that harsh gray color right here, I'm gonna take the color Tall Gray right here, this light gray color, and I'm gonna just blend it up where it's at over here, just so there won't be no harsh lines, and, you know, make sure it looks clean and neat. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna cut my crease. This is my favorite trick that I ever learned this whole fucking year. I just started doing it this month, but whatever. So I'm gonna take the Urban Decay Primer Potion to cut my crease because it has color and it has this paddle right here where it's so easy to go in. So I'm gonna show you guys. So my next step to make it shiny and stuff, I'm gonna use the BH Cosmetics Diamond Dazzler Loose Foil Pigment. This is in the shade Opulent. Opulence, you earn everything.
Opulence, you earn.
But yeah, it's like this little silver moment. I live for it. It's so pretty. I'm gonna use it on the lid, the majority of the lid. I have something else in store, but I am gonna use this on the majority of the lid, so maybe half of the lid. So yeah, I'm gonna just put it on. Just so it won't be no harsh lines on the outer corner, I'm gonna take the black color named Black Hole, and I'm gonna do a tiny bit of it just so it could be no harsh lines. It'll be less creasing and shit like that. I'm gonna use it on a Morphe M506. This is like one of my favorite brushes ever. I love it. Now I'm gonna take the NYX glitter glue, cause you already know what time it is, bitch. It's glitter time. And I honestly feel like the glitter glue is a gimmick because like I use glitter glue properly and I still experience fallout, but it's whatever. No shade. But that's, oh my god, man. I'm gonna take it on a little concealer brush. This is the Morphe M124. I'm gonna just apply it real quick. Okay guys, so this is my favorite part, is fucking glitter. And this is my favorite glitter because it's fucking holographic. Look at that shit. Oh my god, like I love holographic. That's my favorite color. And I know it's not a color, but don't come for me, bitch. This is the e.l.f. This is from e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. Cosmic Silver Glitter. This is loose. I found this at Ulta. I don't know if they still have this, but oh my god, this is everything. So I'm gonna apply it in the inner corner. After that is done, I'm gonna apply a wing with my NYX liquid liner, and the matte color is the black liner. And I'm gonna probably do this off camera because I do not want the pressure. I'm sorry, girl. And I'm gonna pop on some lashes while I'm there, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I put on my lashes. I don't know if you can see them, but these are the Kiss Debbie Wispies. I need to buy new ones because these are starting to get a little janky. Then my wing. I love this fucking look. Oh my god, I was not expecting to like this look, to be honest, because it's cool tone, but oh my god, okay, your cool tone sister might be coming for blood. But anyway, I'm gonna do my primer, foundation, concealer, all that stuff off camera because it was mainly about the eyes, but I'll be right back for the lip. Hey guys, so I decided to do lower lashes, so I'm gonna do that first. So yeah, so ooh, oh my god, I'm fucking up the palette. So I'm gonna take the shade Ghost OG on the same like little Morphe 506 brush. Let me push this back real quick. Ghetto Tings. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna put this one on my lower lashes. Okay, so now that we look like this, shapoppin' or whatever, I'm gonna take the NYX Liquid Suede lip liner in the shade Sandstorm to line my lips. Okay, so for liquid lipstick, I'm gonna take the e.l.f. liquid lipstick. It's in the shade Praline, and I'm gonna use that as my liquid lipstick. Okay guys, so this is the final look of my Cool Tone Fantasy Sexy Seductress eyeshadow look. How do you guys feel about it? Comment down below. And yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you already know what to do, honey. Give me a big old thumbs up. Okay guys, I love you guys so much, and yeah, I love you, my moon babies.